Greetings of the day. I am Asha K, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. In today's class, we're going to learn a course by name DSP Algorithm and Architecture 17EC751 course Module 1. In this Module 1, we have a topic called as Computational Accuracy for DSP Implementation. In this particular topic, we have subtopics called as number formats for signals and coefficients, dynamic range and precision, and sources of errors. In today's class, we are going to learn the first topic, that is number formats for signals and coefficient. In this number format for signals and coefficients, the first concept we are going to learn what are the different number formats we have. The different number formats are based on the range of the signal and precision, range of signals and precision based on the precision and coefficients to represent and also based on hardware complexity also based on the concept of speed requirement. So what are all the speed requirement of the DSP processor? Based upon that also we have different types of number format. The different types of number format are different types of number formats. Number formats are, first one we have fixed point format. Second one we have double precision fixed point format. Third one we have here is floating point format. The fourth one we have here is block floating point format. The number formats are used to represent signals and coefficients in the DSP system. In digital signal processor, as in any other digital system, signals are represented in the form of binary numbers. Signals are used as input as well as output, and also in the different stages of processing of data from input to the output. DSP structures also requires the data representation in case of filters, and to represent the coefficient of the filters also we need the number format. The first number format that we are considering here for today's class is fixed point format. In this fixed point format, we can represent integers also. Similarly, we can also represent fractional numbers also. An integer number can also be represented as a fixed point integer number, and fractional numbers can also be represented as a fixed point signed fractional numbers. So in this fixed point format representation, first I consider signed integer Any signed integer can be represented using a fixed point format. This particular signed integer for n-bit fixed point format, for n-bit fixed point format representation, n-bit fixed point format representation gives the value x, is the value x. It is given by x is equal to minus s into 2 to the power n minus 1 plus bn minus 2 into 2 to the power n minus 2 plus so on up to b1 into 2 to the power 1 plus b0 into 2 to the power 0. b0 into 2 to the power 0. In this particular equation 1, S represents the sign bit. If S is equal to 0, the integer is positive integer. If S is equal to 1, then the integer is negative. Say to represent these signed integer, we have a certain range. The range of representing this signed integer is given by the formula minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus of 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. This is the formula that we are having. So minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. These endpoint fixed point format signed integer is represented as below. The first bit is the sign bit, followed by the next bit, that is bn minus 2. Next I'll be having here bn minus 3 and up to so on b2, b1. The last bit is b0. This is the LSB and this is the MSB. Most significant bit represents the sign and this is the least significant bit. The position of this number is n minus 3, n minus 2 and n minus 1. So this here, the implied binary point will appear here. So this is the implied binary point for fixed point format signed integer. The range for fixed point format signed integer is minus of 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus of 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus of 1. So this is the range of representing the fixed point format signed integer. Similarly, we'll consider n-bit fixed point format, n-bit fixed point format signed fraction. The signed fraction is represented as x value, that is equal to minus into 2 to the power 0 plus b minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1, b minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus so on up to b minus of n minus 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 2, minus of n minus 2, plus b minus of n minus 1 into 2 to the power of minus of n minus 1. This is the value, x value representation for n bit fixed point format signed fraction. The range of representing the fixed point signed fraction is minus 1 to plus 2 to the 1 minus of 2 to the power of minus n minus 1. I'll repeat again here. The range is minus 1 to plus 1 minus of 2 to the power of minus of n minus 1. This is the range that we are going to represent. And the representing this in the form of the bit is, first bit is the S bit, followed by B minus 1, followed by we'll be having B minus 2, and up to B of n minus 3, next B of n minus 2, B minus of n minus 1. So the representation will be like this. This is the representation. This is the S bit, and that represents the sign bit and remaining bit here. The position, if I just wanted to write 0, 1, 2, 3, and here you'll be having n minus 3, n minus 2, and n minus 0. The implied binary point, will appear in the beginning at the S bit. So this is nothing but fixed point format, for signed fraction. Example of this here is 0.1111, or second example I may have 0.10101010. So these are the few examples. It's a 4-bit number, it's an 8-bit number that we have here. And we'll take up one simple problem to understand the concept of fixed point format, signed integer, and signed fraction. The problem goes like this. What is the range of numbers that can be represented in a fixed point format using 16 bits if numbers are treated as signed integers, second one, signed fractions, signed integers and signed fractions. The solution to this particular problem goes like this. So we have to find out what is the range. Given data, n is equal to 16. The given data in this particular problem is n is equal to 15. What is the range of numbers that can be represented in a fixed point format using 16-bit if numbers are treated as signed integers and signed fraction? First, we have to glance what is the range for signed integers and signed fraction. The signed integer range is given by the formula minus of 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus of 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. Then the range of fixed point signed fraction is minus 1 to plus 1 minus 2 to the power n minus 1. I'll write down this two formulas here. The first one, A for n is equal to 16, that is fixed point format, fixed point format, signed integer, fixed point format, signed integer, range is given by, range is given by, range is given by 2 to the power of n minus 1 to minus of 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus of 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. Substitute n is equal to 16. Minus of 2 to the power 16 minus 1 to plus 2 to the power of 16 minus 1 of minus 1. So here this is 2 to the power 15 to minus 2 to the power 15 to plus 2 to the power 15 minus 1. The final answer for this is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. This is the range of fixed point format for signed integers. Signed integers. Moving on to B, that is n is equal to 16 for signed fractions. For signed fractions, the range is given by the formula minus 1 to plus of 1 minus 2 to the power of minus of n minus 1. Now substitute n is equal to 16. Minus 1 to 1 minus of 2 to the power of minus 16 minus 1. So now this is nothing but minus 1 to 1 minus of 2 to the power of minus 15. So after representing this, after simplifying, this will come around minus 1 to 0.4969482. So this completes the solution to this particular problem. So take few examples. The few examples that we are having here is, say, first example 1. This particular example I'm having here is all 8 ones. So I'm having here is all 8 ones. It is an 8-bit number. So for this 8-bit signed integer, for this 8-bit signed integer, what is the x value? The x value is equal to, this is equal to 1. S is equal to 1. So this is s bit into 2 to the power n minus 1. N minus 1 is 7 plus minus s into 2 to the power n minus 1. Then plus 1 into 2 to the power 6 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1. Just correct here. So this is after 2 to the power 2, it is 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So now after simplifying, this is 128, this is 64, this is 32, and this is 16, and this is 8, this is 4, this is 2, and the last one is 1. After simplifying this, minus 128 plus 127, the answer is 1. So this is the x value that we have simplified here. Say, next example 2, if I just take example 2, 1 followed by 7 zeros. For this, find the value of x. The x value is equal to the position, 0th position, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one. That is s bit into 2 to the power of 7 minus s bit into 2 to the power of 7 plus followed by all the terms are 0. All the terms are 0 means you'll be having here, that is b This is B7, B6 into 2 to the power 6, B5 into 2 to the power 5, B4 into 2 to the power 4, B3 into 2 to the power 3 plus B1 into 2 to the power 2 plus B2 into 2 to the power 2 plus B1 into 2 to the power 1 plus B0 into 2 to the power 0. So this is nothing but minus 1 into 2 to the power 7 is 128 plus remaining all the bits are 0. Since all the bits are 0, we're going to get the final answer minus 128. So as we have discussed for 8-bit number, the range that we are having here is the range starts with minus 128 and the range ends with plus 127. The range for 8-bit number is minus 128 to plus 127. So the most positive number that we are having here is example 3, that is 0 followed by 7 ones. This is nothing but 127, positive 127. Say how to calculate the range for 8-bit number. Range for 8-bit number. So first one we have here is signed integer. Signed integer. The signed integer range is given by minus of 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus of 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. Hence, minus of 2 to the power 8 minus 1 to plus 2 to the power of 8 minus 1 minus 1. Hence, minus 127 minus 128 to 128 minus 1. So after simplifying, this is minus 128 to plus 127 is the range for 8-bit number. Observe an example here. This is an example for plus 127 and this is an example for minus 128. So this is minus 128 x value, whereas this is an example for plus 127. So in between, we'll be having the values, different values ranging from minus 128 to plus 127. So this is the range of signed integers, range of signed integers. So this completes the concept of fixed point format representation of data in case of digital signal processor. Thank you.